Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through how to fix Dstv Explora stuck on loading screen. Fix 1. Reboot the decoder. Locate the power cord at the back of the decoder and unplug it from the power outlet. Remove any external devices connected to the decoder, such as USB drives or external hard drives. Allow the decoder to sit unplugged for at least 10 minutes to ensure it fully powers down. After 10 minutes, plug the power cord back into the power outlet. Press the power button on the decoder or on the remote control to turn it back on. The decoder will go through the reboot process, which may take a few minutes. Fix 2. Connect your Dstv Explora to the internet using Ethernet cable. Plug one end of an Ethernet cable into the green Ethernet port on the back of your Dstv Explora. Plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into any Ethernet port on your router. Use the connectivity checker on your Explora to confirm the internet connection by pressing Help, selecting Tools, then Connectivity Checker, and pressing OK. Turn on your connected services by pressing the blue DSTV button on your remote, selecting Settings. Using Wi-Fi connector. Make sure your router is switched on and connected to the internet. Plug the cable attached to the Wi-Fi docking station into the USB port on the back of your Dstv Explora. Insert the Dstv Wi-Fi connector into the docking station and place it next to your Explora. Fix 3. Check bad weather or signal. Check if there are heavy rain, thunderstorms, or strong winds that could be affecting your satellite signal. Switch to different channels on your DSTV to see if the issue is specific to one channel or affecting all channels. Ensure there are no obstructions like tree branches or debris blocking the dish's line of sight to the satellite. Access the signal strength menu on your DSTV decoder to see if the signal strength is low or fluctuating. Fix 4. Update the software on your DSTV. Press the Help button on your remote and select General Info Rs Info Central to check the current software version. Go to the Settings menu and look for the option to check for software updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest firmware. Fix 5. Reset the Dstv Explora decoder. The Reset button is usually located at the back or bottom of the decoder. Use a paper clip or a small object to press and hold the reset button for at least 10 seconds. The decoder will turn off and then on again. This may take several minutes. Once the decoder has rebooted, follow the prompts to set up the decoder again. Fix 6. Contact DSTV support. If your DSTV's problem didn't solve, then you can go to the Contact DSTV support and click the live chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the website for assistance. You contact this number 060-060-3788. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.